Good evening everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. I'm here with my today's video and the topic of the day is past continuous tense. It is used to express an action that was continued in the past. Sometimes time is specified and sometimes time is not specified. For example, I was learning English at 2 p.m. Here time is specified when the action was continued. She was watching movie at 7 p.m. It was raining heavily. Now time is not specified. They were shouting loudly. It is also used to show that an activity was in progress before another activity in the past. For example, while I was attending the class, my brother called me. Now in this example, I was busy in attending the class and my brother interrupted me. So an activity was in progress while another activity took place. When she was attempting the paper, her friend interrupted her. While the teacher was calling the roll, the students entered the class. It is also used for indicating two activities in progress. For example, when I was working, my sister was sleeping. While he was taking a nap, his brother was making noise. As she was cleaning the room, I was thinking to make mess again. In all these sentences, two activities are in progress at the same time. The adverb always is used in this tense. Her transfer is a good news. She was always disturbing her colleagues. He was always creating problems for us. They were always shouting in the class. Now it's time for helping verbs, and helping verbs for past continuous tense are was and were. Was is used with singular subjects and were is used with plural subjects. Urdu identification of past continuous tense is this, that at the end of the Urdu sentences we have raha tha, rahe the, rahi thi. Now further moving on to the sentence structure of past continuous tense. For positive sentences, we have subject plus helping verb, that is was and were, plus present participle, that is verb plus ing plus object. For example, he was attempting the paper, वो पर्चा हल कर रहा था. She was waiting for the vacation. वो छुट्टियों का इंतज़ार कर रही थी. I was preparing the meal. मैं खाना बना रही थी. She was completing the assignment. They were playing cricket. Now it's time for negative sentence structure. First of all, we take subject plus helping verb, that is was and were, plus word of negation not, plus verb ing and then object. For example, she was not behaving properly. वो अच्छे अंदाज से पेश नहीं आ रही थी. I was not writing a letter. मैं खत नहीं लिख रही थी. In the end of the sentence, we have रही थी. They were not following the instructions. She was not attending my call. His parents were not coming that day. They were not preparing the meal. Then for interrogative sentence, positive sentence structure is first of all helping verb, that is was were, plus subject plus verb ing, then object, and at the end we have to put question mark. Examples are, was she writing a letter? क्या वो खत लिख रही थी? Was I working well? क्या मैं अच्छे तरीके से काम कर रही थी? Were they listening to the teacher? क्या वो उस्ताद को सुन रहे थे? Was he preparing the presentation? Were you disturbing them? Were they coming to the party? Now the structure for negative interrogative sentence is first of all helping verb plus subject plus not plus verb ing, that is present participle, object, and then at the end we have question mark. Was she not calling the principal? क्या वो प्रिंसिपल को नहीं बुला रही थी? Were they not paying attention? क्या वो तवज्जो नहीं दे रहे थे? Were you not getting ready? क्या आप तैयार नहीं हो रहे थे? Wasn't she installing the application? Weren't I concentrating? Were they not taking their paper? Contractions are used for your understanding. Information questions positive. Sentence structure is first of all WH word, helping verb was were, plus subject plus verb ing plus object and question mark. For example, why was she writing a letter? वो खत क्यों लिख रही थी? Where were you going? आप कहाँ जा रही थीं? How were they performing? What were they expecting? Then information question negative sentence structure is WH word, helping verb was were, subject plus word of negation not plus verb ing, object and question mark. Why was she not writing a letter? वो ख़त क्यों नहीं लिख रही थी? Where were they not going? वो कहाँ नहीं जा रहे थे? Which topics were they not understanding? When wasn't she coming? I hope the concept of past continuous tense is somehow clear up to now. Just go for your practice and just feel the change in your previous and present concept. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.